Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you wanna be watching me from. So, on this day today is a beautiful day again. We are new, we are here, we are all, we are here. Maya, Maya, oh, Maya, Maya, oh, oh. So, guys, this is an evening time and it wants to fall or it wants to rain. This day today is the final day of CJ being in this homestead or being in this area of Kisii, Nyamira area or Nyamira County. So it's a very fine day and I'm giving much thanks to each and every person who tends to come back and watch this video without skipping the ads. May Almighty God bless you always and give you more and more life and strength always for keeping this great support to us. So, and also I'm giving much thanks for 21 plus K subscribers. I'm really appreciating your love and support. You're the best. Mwah. I'm kind of sad, emotional, at the same time happy. Why am I happy? Despite everything, now I'm the son-in-law, but let's try and see what's going on around here. You know, sometimes, guys, this love or everything on this other end, they go this way, but please keep on watching, keep on supporting CJ, keep on watching this video as we keep on moving what's going on around over here. So it's a brief introduction about how it is, and we had to tell the mom because sometimes she was sensing something fishy, so we had to tell her something that officially we have started to do this and this. So it's my last day here, it's my last day and it's going to be my last evening here. This evening I'm going to do what we call like to travel from this point because we came to say hi to mom and also to see how everything is around on this end. But I really love this tree. This tree has this kind of is it tones or what? I really love how the color is, and I think it is a hardwood too, the way you see. I think it's a hardwood all the way through up the other side. A very nice tree to keep in the compound. So it's my last day here and I'm preparing myself to say goodbye to everybody around here. And also, yeah, it's the journey has already started. It has really started. We'll be heading to the capital city, that's Nairobi. Then thereafter we keep on moving here and here. No more solo traveling, but also it's just a sort of break. It's a short break. We have some guavas here. It's a short break from breaking from the village because we have been so much in the village. A lot of pressure, a lot of stuffs happening. I felt like, man, I can die even. But since I've come here, I've sorted number one, break. Yeah. So, and also according to how everything has been around here, guys, me, I'm really appreciating your love and support. This is Kisii and I'm so much happy for you. I'm so much happy for everyone. I'm also very much happy for whatever is going on around here. So I'm waiting for Minhawi to come so that we can I can just organize how everything is, giving you a quick brief tour of stuffs around here. Wow, one thing I love about this area is the land is very fertile, more than fertile. That's why you see they are planting here food. Those are kales or sukuma wiki, you know, a lot of things, man. I'm even confused, and I was so shocked to see there's one of the biggest and tallest maize around here, and I was like, what it is. So this is where I'm staying around here in this house, and I'm very much giving much thanks to each and every person around here for everything and for the good work and quick home tour that we have done, and stuffs are really moving on well. So I'll keep on giving you a quick thrilling journey how we have started to say goodbye from this end until to the where we are going, though it will be at night, but hopefully things are going to be okay and well and amazingly. So yeah, so see you where we are heading. Right. there was better water here. Very, very nice and great. So when you put water here in the sun, all on under the sun, the water gain heat, and when they gain heat, they become nice and great. So this is better for taking shower before we say goodbye to this end. So it's that evening time that now we want to go. Okay, we've been welcomed for food, so we have to have food. Then I think it will be the last. It will be regarded as the last supper. To this area over here. Hey, you have already finished yours? That's bad. Inhawi, how are you?
Hi.
All right. How are you, baby? You're eating also? Yes, we are having this. This food. It's called ugali and chicken and kienyeji. This is kienyeji. The kienyeji is called tradition of veggies.
Or
All sag, all black. They're called
the chicken is
the chicken.
is what I want to say something.
You want to say something?
It's organic chicken.
Organic chicken.
No interference or something. No breeding.
Oh, free. They are called free range. That's all. This is how you do it. With this, you carry a little bit. So sweet, guys, and yummy. What about you? Nice? Okay, bon appetit.
Yes, boy.
So I think this is the perfect time to get out. So I have to pack this stuff of mine. It's time to say goodbye. To say goodbye and goodbye and goodbye to the beautiful home. So we're heading to the other side. Okay, now you're gonna right there, my friend. I should be there. So yeah, guys. Yes, we are going. Mom is coming. She wants one picture with us. one picture, right?
Yeah.
So we can see where she... Yes. Kwa gate. Mom wants a powerful picture. Oh, come mama. Come mama. Come. Mom wants a beautiful picture over here saying goodbye to Pea nania tupige picha wote. Stand here. Very nice picture. Sinafunga hii mizigo yote. Hii. Tafungwa hapo. Wakai hapo na mtoto na nini? Na hii bagi zote zinafungwa nyuma. Alafu sisi tutakaa hapa. Mom, now with us we are going.
I have no problem.
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Na hizo picture simweke kwa bag ya.
What? This one? This one personal. Now we carry this way. Very easy for charger.
But it is cold.
We are lefting the village now. Mom doesn't want to say goodbye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Mom is very nice.
Yeah.
Now, guys, we are leaving the village and yeah, saying goodbye to Grandpa and everyone now. So let's go and go and go and go. Amazing and beautiful area over here. Hey, Minha, your home is very, very nice.
I know.
Very nice. Let's look now. Very safe, nice, good place. Hey, we decided to put a story building.
Yeah.
here, guys. All over. Hey, 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 hey.
It has been eaten by butterflies.
Yeah. We used to call them tisa tisa. Tisa tisa.
All from this side.
Sese flies. Tisa tisa.
Sese.
Sese. Oh, this is an old bridge.
No,
Yeah.
not at all. Because now normally when it rains here, there's water flowing.
I got that, guys. I understand now. That's how much I understand. This is our best soil for. It's like clay.
It's red clay.
Yeah, it's better.
It's red clay soil.
Yeah, it's better for brick making too.
Yeah.
So guys, we arrived in Nairobi and had a small nap, and now we just came to have a little tour to showcase how Nairobi is around here. So we'll give you a quick tour about how it is, and then from there we want to be proceeding to a place. Also, we had here a boy by himself.
Not a boy.
Yeah, a man.
He's a man.
A man by himself.
Yes. So hello guys.
Yes.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph's channel.
Yes.
My name is Mita Junior.
Yes.
And we are coming live, and we are from Nairobi City.
Nairobi City.
Is it your first time, man?
No, yeah, very. Hey, not my first time.
So
It has been
you're
several times, but still I'm the village boy.
Yeah. So you're trying to say that you are nowadays you are a city boy.
No, I'm not a city boy.
Yes.
The village still is in me.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, we are trying to explore Nairobi.
Yes.
Kindly keep on subscribing to Claude Joseph. Support him by watching the videos. Don't skip ads, because you know that's one way of supporting CJ.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is how it is. and it's that way up to the other side. One thing I love about this is like like Kenya has best also infrastructure. Hey, this kid doesn't like my specs. Oh, and I want to put them vice versa
like that, this way.
Put how? Hey, water. This is very funny. Yeah, so hi guys.
Hey guys, say hi. Say hi guys.
So that's how everything is, and this is Nairobi for the people who watching us. This is the capital city of Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya, guys.
Good, say hi. Good. Say hi.
Oh, guys, I thought it wasn't recording until I turned the camera around. Yeah, so guys, we are heading to the city center. As you can see, we are in the city center. Oh, highway. It can't be stolen on the highway. Yeah, so guys, we are heading to, I don't know, we are running some errands, so hopefully you'll be able to see what we are doing. But in the meantime, guys, kindly subscribe, like and share, and watch our videos to the end. I hope you've been enjoying our vlogs or what we're bringing to you out there. So kindly subscribe, like and share. And we are with who?
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. My name is Baka. Kindly subscribe to our channels, like our videos, and comment. Yeah, so we are heading at the city, and we will just be showing you guys what we are up to.
Okay.
In this video.
Yeah. So guys, walk with us and see you in a bit.
Guys, the vibrancy here in Nairobi, Kenya, it's really crazy, and it's really you can just imagine how thousands of people are around here. And yeah, so here people walk in a jet-like speed. You just see how people cruise around here, and that's the beautiful Sarova Hotel on the other end. But I do love how things actually are in Nairobi, but I dislike its vibrancy. You know, it's very vibrant compared to other cities. To the village, you know me, I'm a village boy, guys. So you can just so I want to look something nice for me and Howie. So this video today is for me and Howie, and it was to say goodbye from mom, and also we want to see of Nairobi, and I'm taking me and Howie to do something special for her around here before we travel from this side. So we are in this end. We want to go out to the other stretch.
But first,
yes, first. There's me with my luggage. So guys, after arriving in Nairobi, we had to sleep there for one day to just say hi to the brother, to me and Howie. But the journey is continuing still. So welcome back on this other side. We are actually in the SGR station, that is the standard railway, the standard gauge railway. It's one of the best railways we have here in East Africa. That is in Kenya, actually, around here. So we are at the waiting launch, and still we are continuing with our journey, and the journey is still journeying. So be much attentive watch this video till to the end, and of course continue supporting us by watching, not skipping the ads. I'm here with Minhawi. She's at work. Hey Minhawi. Hi, how are you?
Editing.
Hey, you look nice.
Thank you.
You look good on your dress.
Thank you. Thank you.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Are you enjoying this?
We'll be late, yes. I'm enjoying this.
Yes.
And guys, we are trying to rush so that we can get in.
Yes.
So we are locked out.
Absolutely.
And we miss our train.
Alright guys.
So we can go. We're also with those passengers.
We're also with the family
team.
here, the team.
Our extended family.
Yeah.
Yes.
And also we have a lot of luggages here, guys.
We have a lot of luggage, so let's go. Then I'm not yet done. Then we'll continue.
Okay guys, let's continue, and I hope you'll be enjoying this, guys. From the other side, saying goodbye to mom. Now we are here, and still we're continuing.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's continue going on. Hey, check. Yeah, that's what you see. So it's really nice and great
Our baby.
being arrived. Oh, the baby is enjoying.
Our baby is having the time of his life.
Oh man, and that's Minhawi, the baby.
Yeah.
He's enjoying on the suitcase. You look nice. That's how everything is, guys. You see, it's really nice. So this is the place where we're passing, and people really go on well and great. So let's go. Let's continue, man. There's a lot of people passing. So this is the other side.
Okay, the country. Someone, yes. Guys. Okay.
Yes guys, now this is CJ. You can see he's holding I don't know what we call this. How are you, man?
Yeah, fine.
What are you carrying?
There's a lot of food here.
Yes.
Foodstuffs. How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
That's great, man. It doesn't matter what you have.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's your life.
It's my life.
Yes.
Errores do mundo.
But for the first time when you are carrying that, how do you call this?
Sack?
Yeah, that sack.
Yeah.
You are saying that we should not be in the same WhatsApp
We are not
group.
on the same WhatsApp group.
Because I'm carrying this one.
I'm traveling with it. This is my traveling bag for now. I think we have to go this way. I don't know which one should be.
I think I'm in coach 8 and you 7. So
Coach 7 is this.
yeah, so I think with me I'll go this.
Oh my god, I've lost my ticket.
Yeah?
You're going to coach 8.
Yes, that
So you just check it. It's full.
yes.
You can decide to use a lift, or you can decide to use what you call like the staircases, or you can also decide to use the escalator. So with me I choose to use the staircases around here as I go. So that's how you see our Kenyan SGR over here. Very nice. Alright guys, let's continue this journey, and of course where we are heading, I hope now you know the clue or you have everything. Let's continue. Errores do mundo. Life with the world. And also there we have an airport on this other end. So guys, we are leaving Nairobi and we are heading to Mombasa.
Please maintain a clean environment by clearing the tables and disposing the litter after finishing the meal. Food and beverages will be served
We'll be heading to Mombasa, and yeah, see you at the coastal part. There's a train passing over here. We wanna see how it's going. Guys, this is it's a national park actually, and you know Nairobi is the only city, I can say, in the world that has a national park within the city. So as we are here, maybe when we are lucky we can be able to see some animals passing around here. So we are continuing this journey straight out Nairobi to Mombasa. So enjoy this. You'll be able to see some animals around here. Maybe you can see a giraffe, you can see an elephant, you can see maybe something, maybe some zebras crossing over here. It's a nice experience sometimes when you visit Kenya. Very good experience. A lot you have to see around here.
Ukiwa ndani uoni too much.
Some speed. So guys, we arrived here tonight, right now at this time. So it has been a very nice journey, very great, amazing, and very okay, I can say. And this is Mombasa terminus, the last terminus. Now from here we'll be heading to the town or Mombasa city. I want to say welcome officially to Mombasa city. Amazing and nice, very great, beautiful and great. This is the exit, means kutoka. Yeah, it has been a very nice journey on this side. So this is the SGR itself, and I, Claude Joseph, I like staircasing. I love to staircase over here as I move downwards. Very great. Those are the kids. They are enjoying the stairs also. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Time right now. Hey guys, good morning. We are behind the bus. We're coming live from Mombasa, Kenya. It's another beautiful day over here. I wanna say good morning, good afternoon, good evening again. Guys, this journey has been so hectic, little and also enjoy, you know, full of enjoyment. So this day today again, I've been enjoying moving around. Mombasa now is so windy guys, not as usual. Like people say Mombasa is hot, Mombasa is this, Mombasa is everything. But this time today, welcome to Mombasa officially. And yeah, this is how you see. It's windy, calm, at the same time sunny, but it's not as hot as usual. And this day, it's a beautiful day. I wanted to tell you that this is the final destination where we are now. And expect more and more videos, more content creation, and yeah, a lot is going to happen. Also, I'm here with Min Hawi. Yay! A girl Toto,
A boy Toto.
a man Toto,
A woman Toto.
a lady Toto,
A lady.
you,
A man Toto.
a sweet Toto.
A bitter Toto. A bitter Toto.
We are here, guys.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself. Are you fine?
Min, how are we here, guys?
Yes.
Yes, I'm fine.
Hmm?
We're cleaning with Bertha. It's Lady Bertha.
It's Lady Path.
Lady Bertha. Yeah, so we were cleaning and we're done. We also wanted to start with the kitchen because it's a lot of work. We are done with the kitchen and arranging stuff. So tomorrow it will be the bathroom because we want it to be clean, so it really needs time.
Oh, put
So
something there.
we don't want to overwork ourselves.
Yes. Oh my God.
We don't really want to overwork ourselves.
What do you want to cook?
I want to cook for this baby. There's baby there. I don't want to cook. I want to cook for him some sausages.
Sausages.
Yes.
I'm a big baby too. Can you
No,
cook for me?
for baby, the little
No,
baby.
cook me for big baby now.
I can add one extra for you, maybe.
Hey, one extra.
Yeah.
I must request, or you must treat your baby well. Your big
Well,
baby.
I wasn't sure you wanted to eat them.
You want
Yeah,
it sure?
I wasn't sure because I don't think you like sausages, unless you.
I love
You
sausages.
love sausages. I'm finding out right now. So it's the journey to finding out each other.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So
Because
soon there's a video coming out
there
for
are no
me.
sausages in your bohanse.
Not too bad. We have sausages, cassavas.
There are no sausages in your bohanse.
We have cassavas, guys.
Yeah, we only have like the traditional stuff.
Traditional stuffs.
Yeah.
Like what?
cassava, yams. Yeah.
Let me ask you one question. Are you now kind of relieved from the relieved from the stress in the village?
Yeah, I can say so.
Now,
I'm feeling better.
Yes.
What do you think?
I'm seeing even your skin is glowing.
My skin is glowing. Yes, my skin has to glow.
Even your nails look smart.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yeah, so my skin is. Let me show yours and mine.
Mine are dirty.
What were you touching?
I was scratching my
Your
head
hair.
this way, and also I was cleaning the other side upstairs.
Okay.
Yes.
So, well, guys, let's wait and see. I'm cooking, so
Yeah, you wanna have something to enjoy.
yeah.
And guys, please make sure you subscribe to me and Howie. There's a lot of videos coming here.
Guys, hey, are you ready? Are they ready? Anyway,
You don't know how. You have no idea.
Say
Officially, welcome to Mombasa. This is where we are now. Expect more videos, and of course, subscribe, like, share, leave us a
yeah,
comment.
they have subscribed. We have
It's
a big,
about
big,
to go
big,
down.
big thing coming up.
Aha!
Yes.
Okay, guys. Thank
Okay,
you so
guys.
much, and bye bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoy. La vida
Love you too, guys.
est juice. Bye.